All right, well, it's Christmas time.
Christmas time. Well,
Look at this we got.
Thanksgiving time.
But we got a 12-foot pre-lit that we're putting up right there.
Yeah.
Baby, you want to hold this? Ready? This thing's heavy. Look at that baby.
It's big.
We gotta put it somewhere.
You gotta
We
put
don't
it
have
over
anywhere
here.
to put it.
Well, actually, yeah. Yeah.
All right, so yeah, we're preparing to put the tree up in the living room. You caught us on laundry week, but yeah, we use that corner. We wanted to get a tall tree for our vaulted ceilings for the last couple of years now, but looks like Walmart had some really good good deals on some 12-foot trees, and I went to 3 different Walmarts to get this tree and could not find, or they just weren't in stock. So I went to walmart.com and they delivered it in 3 days. So it's a pretty good deal, and I like the interlocking electrical in the actual stand, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, we really are happy and excited. Okay, so something really cool here. You just drop the tree down and no plug it in, and it just boop, and all the lights turn on. This is just the 3rd layer. We still have 2 more to go. It's a 12-footer, y'all. All right, here we go. Okay, so at this point we are having to go get a ladder because the last 2 sections are so tall, and I just, can't get up to 12 foot myself. Laura likes to fluff out the tree beforehand. It is the right thing to do, but I just don't have patience for it. But you know how it is. So you just interlock them in there and the lights turn on. That's so awesome. That's what's cool about this tree. While Laura's fluffing the tree out, I just kind of ran off and did some other things. She does really good with these trees, and Mr. Darcy was watching us and he's like, what the heck is going on over here? Yeah, you're doing good, Mom. So but yeah, we're just so excited to have this tree, and the last couple of years we've had the one in the front that I'll show later, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. And these vaulted ceilings, man, they're super awesome. That tree literally touches the ceiling. So it's fun. Look how big that tree is, yo. All right, and then we got the 2nd tree in the front. Oh, and we got a 3rd tree down the hall. It's getting worked on.